This is on page 17. Some people wonder, like, why is there such a difference between the payment plan and the pay in full? And so here is your final pro tip. Reward clients who are willing to use their own credit card as well as those who act now. We want to reward action takers, and we want to reward those people who are willing to be their own credit card. And here's why. When you do a payment plan, you're basically offering to be their credit card. And credit cards typically have a 20% or higher interest rate. And there's a really good reason why they have such a high interest rate. And offering a payment plan is a good thing. There are lots of benefits to extending credit to your clients. It creates stable income for you, increases accessibility to your programs, and it allows clients to pay from their cash flow. So those are all good things. And there are also some drawbacks, most notably that it increases the risk to you as the person offering the payment plan as you spread payments out further and further, which is why credit cards have such a high interest rate. So I want to do better than a credit card does, so I don't charge compound interest, I don't charge like 25, 26%. And I encourage my clients and reward them for paying in full with at least a 10% discount. Cool, huh? So this, for the Powerhouse Business Academy, if you can pay in full, is a 17% discount. And many of my clients take that option because they're serious about their money and they love saving it.
Hey there, everybody. It's Future Vanessa, and I just wanted to invite you to register for the full training at powerhousecoachtraining.com/3essentials. This is my new training on how to build a successful, profitable, and sustainable solopreneur business. You'll get a full workbook and loads of resources to help you get to success in 2020. Again, that's powerhousecoachtraining.com/3-essentials.